Well, this is Royal Crown Derby bone china, and the pattern is one called Derby Days. This one dates from 1981, and we know that from the china marks on the rear. Let's just flip that over and show you the modern 20th century Royal Crown Derby crown and orb marks. A1293 Derby Days, and the XLIV is 1981. We have got the identical plate made in 1996, I think, already on catalogue. Beautiful rolling scalloped or crimped rib with this beautiful gilt decoration. I mean, the detailing on this, if we just bring it into relief, the transfers that Crown Derby were using were absolutely first rate. Butterflies, moths, and then those floral bouquets and strawberry and peach or apricot fruits on it. Absolutely gorgeous. It is a thing of absolute beauty. They were expensive when they were made, probably part of a large dinner service at the time, or tea service. This is an intermediate size plate, I think at 8.25 inches in diameter. The exact measurements are on the website listing. It's in absolutely mint condition, no knife marks, no wear, and a fine addition to any fine bone china collector's collection, particularly if you're a Crown Derby enthusiast. Do follow the links through to the website. If you want two of them, we have got them on the various dates, as I've already mentioned, so do have a browse through the website on Royal Crown Derby Days. Thanks for watching.